Now, how do you light up a dark picture on the iPhone? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you need to locate your dark photo in the gallery like that, right? You need to find it like this. And in order to light it up, you can click on the edit button and then go through the these adjusting toggles, right? So there are a few things which will most definitely light it up. For example, we have the shadows. I quite like that because it can really just turn kind of a dark image and bring out the details from the shadows, right? That's pretty useful. Then we have the general brightness slider, which will apply to like all areas of the picture. Then we also have the exposure, which again does it for like the whole picture. You can see it in real life, what changes it makes, right? And also we have the other things in here. For example, we have the black point, right, which also like moves the light or changes the black color. We have the contrast, we have the highlights, right? So generally just play around with these toggles to light up the image as much as you can. Obviously, it's generally a good idea to capture the photos, with enough lighting, but if it happens that the photo is kind of darker, you can also just change it like this. So let me know if it worked for you. In case of any questions, leave them below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss these quick tutorials in the future. And I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well.